visible.
Yes, sir, it is.
Thank you. Thank you, Yash. So I will start with the session. Any queries we'll take at the end of the session. Okay. Yes. With that, we'll start. Okay. I call this strategy, the name of the strategy, as EMA 20 breakout combined with volume. So here we will be using EMA 20. Okay, EMA 20 is a moving average. EMA 20 is a moving average. Okay. So it is calculated based on some formula. We are not going to get into those details, but EMA 20 is exponential moving average. EMA 20 is exponential moving average. Okay. So that average is calculated based on the formula. How to set that line, a moving average line, and the procedure I will explain in Trade Tiger, because this one I use. So I will explain in this only. I'm adding in the watch list both the stocks. So for my research purpose, I use this Trade Tiger. If you open account with Sherkan, this will be available for free of cost. Trust me, this is very good. Okay. Already the setting is applied. What I'll do, I'll remove the setting and set it once again. See, you can notice this line. Near this price only, I identified that it is going to break out. That's why I gave the call on Thursday, I think. Thursday was the call given. And obviously, everybody knows that the call from 4 rupees average, it went till 14.8. Almost touched 15. So that is 3 times. Okay, settings I will show. So in the settings, we have to go to moving average. Average. So in Zerodha and all, you try to search as moving average or average. So here also I'm searching it as average. In the average, we are going to use exponential moving average. Exponential. Okay, and we are going to use 20 days or 20 candles average. It is 20 candles average. 20 means 20 candles average price will be taken. Okay. In simple, they will just take the summation of 20 candles divided by 20. But in exponential, they will add some more parameters. So we'll not go into the calculation part. We'll just keep it simple. Okay, this is the moving average line setting. You can change the color as you want. You can increase the thickness as well. So if I say apply, the line, the setting will be applied. So you can see the setting. Okay, it is exponential moving average. In Zerodha, I think it is available directly. If you type exponential moving average, you will get it. Just you have to say apply, but make sure you are using 20 candles average, and the method of calculation is exponential moving average. Okay. So I think I've given a call on this day, 29 July. So the moving average line on 29 July was here around 129. Now it has moved up. It was somewhat here around 124 only. Because we need to identify this in the live market. We need to identify this in the live market. So these two candles, no, they are formed after the call was given. Means half of this and the remaining part. Okay. So you should know that what the stock is doing. I was sure that the stock is definitely is going upside, because it is the consolidation, total consolidation. After that, it was in my radar. Okay, so I was very much sure that the stock is going to go up. but when the momentum will start, when the stock will break out, that is the question that some people know it, some people don't know it. This I find very easy to find the breakout. Okay, so this candle was in the formation on 29th July. Okay, this candle was in the formation, that time only we identified. Okay, so first of all, what we did, we know that the stock can go upside and the sector was also supporting. So there are many parameters. Technical analysis we have done the top down approach. Then we are sure that the stock is definitely going upside. But when question mark is answered by this method. Okay, so at the moving average price, at the moving average line, we have to draw a horizontal line. So this is the moving average line. Here we have to draw a horizontal line. Now we have drawn the horizontal line. Okay, this candle is already formed, but I'm talking about before the candle is formed. Okay, now the moving average line is here. On 29th, the moving average line was here. This is with respect to 30th. So यहाँ पे थे हम लोग. Okay, so this is one thing. Moving average, exponential moving average on daily time frame. We have to draw a horizontal line. Then we have to go to 60-minute time frame. 60 minute. वहां पे भी हमको एक horizontal line बनाना है. Okay, this was the candle which was forming. Okay, so hourly moving average line. Remember one thing, as we change the time frame, the candlesticks will change. Okay, daily के लिए candlestick अलग रहता है. Okay, daily candlestick closing price will be different. Hourly candlestick price closing will be different. So the moving average for the daily candlestick will be different.
नहीं आ रही है.
Please check your settings, sir. Please check from your side.
सर वॉइस नहीं आ रही है.
Wait. Is it audible to others?
Yes, sir, it is.
Sir, please try log out and log in. You may get the voice. Okay, so continuing. So as I was explaining, daily moving average line will be different and hourly moving average line will be different. So daily moving average line is at approximately at 124 and hourly is at 122.2. Okay, this I am talking with respect to this candle. When this candle was forming, means with this candle, when this candle was forming, with respect to this candle I am speaking. Okay, so once the stock is sustaining above the hourly moving average line and daily moving average line, if you see here, with respect to this daily moving average line and hourly moving average line, the price is sustaining above this. The price is sustaining above this. So the criteria is fulfilled. The price has to sustain above daily moving average line and hourly moving average line. Now the price is sustaining above both the moving average lines. Now the stock is in our radar. Okay, so from here we have to mark the reference line, vertical reference line. Okay, first thing is the stock is above daily moving average line. Second thing is the stock is above hourly moving average line, means exponential moving average line. Then once it starts trading above both the moving average lines, then the stock should be on your radar. Next thing what we should do, we should check for volumes. So I'll apply the volume setting, simple volume setting. So the volume setting is applied. Okay. Now we have to just check the volumes, what is happening to the volumes. So here I can see this is for 30th July. From morning only there are good volumes. Just in 2 candles, the stock from, say it closed here. The closing was 125, and from 125 it almost touched 138, 139. Okay, from morning only the volumes started building up on 30th July, but we identified it here with this candle, because the call, I know the call was given when the stock was around 123, 124, because it was sustaining above both the moving average lines, daily as well as hourly. Now this is the reference line to check the volume price action. Okay, to check the volume action, we have this reference line. Right? Now see the consolidation. And the price is holding above the moving average. So at this point I gave the call. Because of this green candle, okay, and because of the volume, not so good volumes, but I knew that the price action, what is telling to me. But here definitely we should have a clear filter. Volume should be very good. These are the good volumes to buy. Even if you buy here, it is perfectly okay, but with experience you can buy it here also. In options, it is recommended to buy when the stock is running. Even if it has run 2 to 3%, it is fine. But from 2 to 3%, the stock can go to easily 5%, 6%. When you enter into options, the stock should run very easily upside. If the stock even stays flat, we will lose option premium. Means premium will decay. That should not happen. That is why this strategy works very well, because the price starts going up and it has very crucial support of EMA 20, where algo traders are very active. Okay, and if the volume starts building up, then definitely you can enter into option or enter in cash just to take a benefit of say 2 to 3%. Okay, I gave the call here expecting the stock can break out easily. Okay, but definitely you can buy it here. Ideally you can buy it here. Sometimes if you buy here, means here when the stock is holding above both the EMA averages, I gave it here, but ideally we should buy it here. With this candle we can buy. Let's say if we buy in cash, looking at the volumes and looking at the price action. So at 128 if we buy, because the volumes are good, in 5 minutes time frame I'm talking. And stop loss, there was gap up. So the stop loss has to be below the gap up. Maybe based on risk to reward, you can fix the stop loss. Even if you buy it in cash, you'll get easily 1:2, 1:3. Even if you buy it here. Okay, so we have to follow 2 things. The stock has to sustain above daily and hourly exponential moving average line, plus there should be volume build up and the price should go up. If the price is going up with the volumes, then only it is positive sign. By chance, if the volumes are building up and the price is coming down, that is negative sign. Okay, so with experience you can enter near 124 only, but to be on the safer side you can enter at 128. Definitely you can enjoy this rally. Not in this stock, in any stock you take, if the condition is satisfied, means both the conditions, EMA 20 lines and the volume, definitely you will see a good rally. Okay, if you enter early, the problem is that the stock will consolidate and we will lose our premium. Means option premium, because the theta effect will be there. I'm talking about option premiums, option parameters. Okay. Those who don't know, don't worry. So this is how we can identify breakout. So similarly, I will show it in voltage as well. There are a few more stocks on my radar that I will show later. If okay, so like when I recommended the call, I was tracking this. So you can see that I have already drawn the lines and I have kept this stock on my radar. 1026. You can see the levels. 1026 and 1028. I was tracking this stock from Wednesday. Okay. I'll show you by going into daily time frame. I was tracking this stock from, see, this 28th and 27th. Okay. Now, on this particular day, 29th, the stock is above daily moving average line on 29 July. अगर आप ये candle को, if you neglect this candle, so here the stock is above daily moving average line. Okay, then we have to check hourly as well on 29 July only. See, with this candle, with this particular candle, the stock is above hourly moving average line as well. Now the stock is trading above daily moving average line and hourly moving average line. You can see this here. Okay. So once the stock is above hourly and daily moving average line, the stock should be on your radar. The stock should be on your radar. Okay. When the call was given, the stock was trading near 1038 something. I don't know exactly. Wait, I'll refresh the graph. There is some error. When I gave the call, the stock was trading near 103837. Means this is the reference line for me. This is the reference line for me. I saw the volumes with, this was the candle. I saw the volumes. Now I have given the call at 1038. So I'll, this is the reference line. हमने call इस candle पे दिया है, ये वाला candle. So beginning only. I'll show you the volumes, how to check the volumes in the 5-minute time frame. To check the volumes of this candle, we have drawn the reference line. Like this, you have to draw a reference line. आपको एक reference line draw करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Please remember the two conditions. We have to make sure that the stock is above both the moving average lines, hourly, daily, and the volume should build up. If you see, the volumes started building up from this candle, but the stock is holding above moving average lines, both the moving average lines. So this is the perfect time to enter. So we'll see when to enter. Hourly to बहुत late हो जाएगा. If you try to enter after hourly closing, the stock is already here, right? So there is no point in entering at this peak. So what we can do is making sure that the stock is above moving average lines and the volumes are building up. So we can go to 5 or 10 minutes. Preferably 5 minutes is good. You can see here how the volume started building up. Can you see? So here only anticipated that the stock can go up. So near 1038 or 1040, I have given the call. Not in the group, but in the group I mentioned that voltage is on radar. Voltage is on radar. I have not given the call in the group. To one of my friend, I had given the call. 1040 call at 34. It went till 50. Okay. So see, once the call was given, how the stock went up. just if you say, if you have taken entry near this point, when you take entry near this point, stop loss will be deep. Stop loss will be deep. It will be below the opening price, below the open of the day, below the open of the day. So we can easily get so many points. 1:2 usually will get. If you are not talking about 1:2, let's say 1% move or 2% move in the stock, you will get very easily. Okay. So this is how we can identify breakouts. But again, it has to be combined, moving average lines and the volumes. Can you see how the volumes are built up? And what happened after that? The stock went very easily upside. आपको ना easily 10 या 15 points मिल जाते हैं. At least 1 or 2% move in the stock will come, and proportionately based on the option parameters, option will gain at least maybe option will gain at least 50%. Okay, so and again, to do this, we should know the direction of the stock. It depends. I was knowing that the stock is consolidating. ये देखो stock consolidate कर रहा है ना. It is in the range, and we should know in which direction the breakout can come. So considering all those things, we have to do it. See, Havels has already run up. Havels has already run up, and most of the stocks which are in this same sector, means in the sector same as Voltas. I'll show you the sector. In this Trade Tiger, you'll get to know the sector as well. Consumer electronics. Okay. And with respect to automobile or this Ashoka Leyland, this is with respect to Nifty Auto. So sector support was also there. When we are trading with proper knowledge and analysis, definitely our calls will not go wrong. Means our calls will not go in the wrong direction. Even if they go, we can exit with stop loss. So always it is recommended to trade with good reasons, maybe good analysis. When you take a particular trade, definitely look for all the probabilities. Consider each and everything. Then only your trades will be high probability trades. But definitely market may nothing like 100%. Even if you are say 70% accurate, you are the winner. Just 70% is more than sufficient. But that is applicable in cash. With risk management, 70% is very good. Trust me, you are better than anybody else in the market. उसके लिए risk management important है. Okay, those who want to know the means, I have a setting to find out the stocks near EMA 20. I am working out more to find out very accurately. Means I have found a scanner. In Trade Tiger, we have a scanner. So I think many of you might not be having account in Trade Tiger. So let's say if it is waste of time, I'll not explain that setting. Okay, now those who want to ask doubts, you can ask the doubts about the same what you have tried to explain. I'll just stop the recording.